Good afternoon children, welcome back to EVS subject. Today we will see a new lesson, lesson number 10, our sense organs. In this lesson, we will identify the sense organs of the body and understand their functions. And we will understand the need of cleanliness and protection of sense organs. See children, here the teacher of class 3 was on leave. Students were making a lot of noise. See, when your teacher was on leave, what will you do in the class? You will make L of noise, isn't it? Yes. So, here also 3rd standard students making noise. To stop this noise, one of the other teacher came to the class. The teacher asked the students to identify the parts of the body. You have already identified the parts of the body in class 2, isn't it? Yes. Now, identify the parts of the body given in the picture. Look at the picture children. See the parts of the body. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, hands, fingers, legs and toes. These are parts of the body, right? See here, now we have identified the parts of the body, right? Now, tell me here what you have observed or experienced. For example, the fragrance of a flower, the sound of a bus, sight of a kitchen garden and chirping sound of birds, smell of the food. What all things you observe, write it here children. By these parts of the body, what you can observe by using the body parts, what are the things will you observe and experienced, you can write it here. Okay? Now tell me, how did you get these experiences? Which organs helped you to experience them? Write in the space given. We get these experiences with the help of the sense organs. See children, we have 5 sense organs, that is eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are 5 sense organs. Without these 5 sense organs, we cannot observe or experience the things which are happening around us. Okay. Now, we will study one by one about sense organs. Okay. Okay. First one is eyes. See here, there is one small story. A few children were playing blindfold game. But blindfold game means a person who tie a cloth to his eyes and they will search the other friends. Okay. So here Chitra was blindfolded. So Chitra covered her eyes. She tied her eyes with a cloth. And suddenly she screamed, "Oh, I cannot see anything. How can I search?" See, if you cover your eyes with any cloth, can you see anything? No. So, in the blindfold game also same. They will cover the eyes with the cloth. So, here Chitra cannot see anything. So, she suddenly screamed. Now tell me, why did Chitra not see anything? Because her eyes were covered with a cloth. Her eyes were closed. So, without eyes, she cannot see anything. So, children, eyes help us to see the surrounding environment and they help us to identify the sizes, shapes and colors of the things and their distance from us. Okay. Next, when Manju was coming to school, some dust fell into his eyes. See, if anything fall into your eyes, what will you do children? You will rub your eyes and eye became red, isn't it? And started watering. So here also Manju rubbed his eyes and it became red and started watering in the eyes. So the teacher took him to the doctor. The doctor treated him immediately. He also gave him some information about the eyes. Eye is a very sensitive part. Which is sensitive part in our body, children? Eye is a very sensitive part. If dust, insects, etc. enter the eyes, you should not rub it, okay, because it causes problem to the eyes. So you should wash the eye with clean water and consult a doctor. You should take care of your eyes. See children, here one activity is there. So put a tick right mark to the pictures which are right and put a wrong mark into mark to the pictures which are wrong. See, in the first picture, the girl is standing outside. Some dust fell into her eyes. So, immediately she washed her eyes with clean water. So this is right. So, here you put right mark. And in the second picture, after falling dust in her eyes, she is rubbing her eyes. So, this is wrong. So, put into mark. So, here you put wrong mark or into mark. Okay. Next picture, the boy is sitting and reading in the dark room. So, this is wrong because it affects to our eyes. And in the second picture, the boy is sitting and reading in the lighted room. So, this is right. So, here you put right mark. Next picture, the boy is standing and lighting the crackers and her sister standing very far to him to watch this. So, this is right. So, here you put right mark. And the second picture, the boy is sitting and lighting the crackers. Her brother is watching this very closely. So, this is wrong. So, here you put into mark. Next, second one is ears. Blindfold the eyes of your friends. Produce different sounds like ringing of the bell, cry of a bird, blowing of a whistle, etc. Ask your friends to recognize the sound. In the same way, ask them to identify the other sounds also. They should also say the direction from which the sound is coming. See children, how they will recognize these sounds? Because you blindfold their eyes. You covered their eyes with a cloth. How they will recognize these sounds? Ringing of a bell, cry of a bird, blowing of a whistle. How they will recognize? They will recognize these sounds with the help of ears. So, ears give us a sense of sound. With the help of the ears, we recognize various sounds. Okay? Okay. Next, how should we protect our ears? It is very important, children, to protect our ears. Let us see about the protection of our ears. See, we should not put any object into our ears. If anything happened to our ears, immediately we should consult the doctor. See, if any sound of crackers, vehicles, you should away from these sounds. If the sound is very louder, it can affect your ears. So, you have to stay away from these sounds. Okay? Okay. I hope you understood today's topic. Next sense organ we'll see in the next video. Thank you children.